Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Crazy Kitchen. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a game or an app that will let you pay out after playing the game. So before we get into the review, um, a lot of you have been messaging me, and since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see guys, this is what the game looks like. You basically dodge knives from up above, and you just catch these fruits right here and get a score. So after a certain score or a certain level or threshold, you will actually get to pay out. And I doubt that you can actually pay out from this app, since as you can see, there are a lot of apps like these that promises payout. However, the payout, if there is actually one, is very small. So as you can see, let's read the reviews here. So 1 star, attended to the app and set out to PayPal. It said 3 days to process, now it's been a month and still have not received anything. So that is unsurprising since it is very clearly and obviously a scam. Even the first day didn't give high score, waste of time. Even though these people say that it's a good game. However, they haven't been saying anything about payout. So it's a good app to play and earn, but have lots of ads. That's why I gave 4. Nice, but so many ads. 5 star, 5 star. So a lot of people have been saying that these are financial, but I highly doubt it, guys. I highly doubt that you can make any money from playing this game. However, you can try and play this game if you want, but I would advise you not to hope or expect that you can make a lot of money out of it. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.